Why do millions of businesses rely on email marketing? Here are 5 reasons. 1. The ROI. Email delivers an average return of $36 for every $1 spent. That's a 3,600% return on investment, consistently outperforming social media, paid search, and display advertising. 2. Direct algorithm-free reach. Most email users check their inbox every single day. Your message lands directly in front of your audience. No platform deciding who sees it, no ad budget required. 3. It works at every stage of the customer journey. Welcome new subscribers. Announce a product launch. Recover an abandoned cart. Re-engage customers you haven't heard from in months, all from one platform, without switching tools. 4. Personalization at scale. With the audience segmentation, you send the right message to the right person at exactly the right time. Personalized campaigns generate higher open rates and more revenue per send than generic blasts. 5. It's fully measurable, and it keeps getting smarter. Open rates, click-through rates, conversion data, A/B test results. You see exactly what's working, and you optimize from there. Every campaign teaches you something. Every send performs better than the last. You don't need a massive list to get started. Even a small, engaged audience drives real revenue when your emails are targeted and timely. Email marketing isn't just a channel, it's the most reliable revenue engine your business has. Start your free trial at Mailchimp.com